and this triangle is not same as this triangle, and this triangle is not same as this triangle. But when you add those three areas, you are getting the total area. Not only that, this area is exactly same as this area, same 2r square sin A cos B cos C. But the point was here and this point was here. Anybody want to comment? We discussed both questions side by side, so that I wanted to compare. Up. Yeah, that's very nice. Good, Lokeshwar. Okay. This is 90 minus C, this is 90 minus B, this is same B plus C. But here 90 minus B, here 90 minus C. So what happened is this piece, you turn it like this. Okay, that is this one. Same piece as it is, but just turn it like this. And that is altitude, and here it is diameter. That's the only difference. Okay. Similarly, take this piece and take this and reverse it with respect to this point here, this point here, this point will come remains here. That is this. Okay, that's a good observation. Good. Don't think I am discouraging others. I see many people in this class. Actually, on New Year Day, I want to send a video, but somehow I was very busy. I could not send. Frankly, I am very happy with this particular batch. Okay. Yeah, some few people may not be getting good marks, or they are not turning in their videos, or not so interactive. But I can see a majority of the people are, very interactive. And when you came for notes correction, frankly, me or Chandra sir, we did not expect that many people will write notes that nicely. But many of you have written marks beyond our expectations. You maintain good quality notebooks. Okay. So when we discussed each other, Anuradha madam and Chandra sir, myself, we are extremely happy with your batch. Okay. And we also see the overall there is a good number of students, okay, who can carry the momentum in the class, and I'm sure you, at the end of 2 years you will be getting very good ranks. Okay. Apart from that, we are very happy. One thing is, sometimes your mains marks may not be good, or you may not be happy with your mains marks. Okay. But we are as long as the student is sincere, okay, he will at the end of 2 years he will get a good rank. Okay. According to their capacity, but you have to see whether you are sincere or not. Are you listening seriously? Are you interacting with the teachers? Are you taking the notes? Okay. Are you at least trying to do the homework? Are you spending enough time? Okay. You may not be getting the questions on your own. If these are all there, rest will follow over time. If not first time, when you do the chapter second time, you will do much better. Okay. But as long as you are doing these things, you are in the right direction. You should not worry about your little ups and downs, your mains marks. Okay. After telling all this, but one thing I observed few times, I also observed about other people, I'll tell later. But Lokeshwar, I see always, he gives a very good, very thoughtful when I ask some tricky things. Okay. So I feel Lokeshwar has, he may turn up with very good rank. I wanted to say many times, but I was waiting so other side. I should not discourage others as if, as if only Lokesh will get, we will not get. Okay. Just I noticed something I am telling. I also noticed other things. When time comes, I'll tell you. Okay. I'm talking about the originality. Sometimes nothing about it you know before. I teach for the first time. Okay. But still you catch. All right. Actually, I always wanted to do this. In SNT entrance exam, we keep right based on your 10th class topics and all that. Okay. I prefer sometimes a different system where we'll not separate A, B and all that. For everybody, for 1 month, we'll teach a topic which they never learned before. And we'll keep an exam based on that. And based on that only, we'll see which section where they belong to. Okay. It may not happen. This is my wish. Okay. Everybody done with this? Okay. Right. Once again, many of these are questions. All right. We not yet discussed about median. I think last class we discussed a little bit of circumcenter. We stopped there. There are too many things in my mind. I was confused which order I should tell. That's all. It's okay. Earlier I discussed something about incenter. I am going to write one proof now for one particular thing. Some of you may not understand now, but I thought the notes should be complete so that in second year when you revise everything is there. That is the reason I want to discuss something based on the vectors. Okay. So last class when we discussed about in center, when you take this angular bisector where this is a by 2 and this is a by 2, this is d, we derived a formula AD equal to 2BC by B plus C cos a by 2, and we discussed two methods. You remember that, right? One is we took this area plus this area equal total area. Another one is we know this length and we applied sine rule in this, we got. Okay. I want to discuss method 3. I would have told right there, I was just that day thinking to tell or not tell, but I thought for the sake of notes, I will tell this. Okay. I will write something. If you are able to follow, it's okay. It's like section formula, I am using it. I know BD is to DC is AB is to AC, which is C is to B. Okay. BD is to DC is equal to AB is to AC, which is C is to B. I want to use cosine rule. What is that? Section formula. AD bar, this into this vector, C into AC bar, this into this vector, B into AB bar by C plus B. The same section formula that you studied in 2D geometry and even in 3D geometry is also there in vectors. Okay, we will study soon. Okay, but right now, even if you don't understand, just write it. Okay, but you can get a feel of this. This number C into vector this side, this number B into vector this side by C plus B. That will give me this vector. Okay. If I want AD length, it should be magnitude of vector AD bar. Already outside 1 by B plus C is there in the denominator, I am taking it out. Magnitude of any vector is square root of this magnitude plus this magnitude whole square plus 2 times the dot product of these two. So I have to write C into mod AC bar whole square. This magnitude is B into magnitude of AB bar whole square plus 2 times the dot product of this, 2 into C into AC bar dot product with B into AB bar. This is somewhat like your resultant that you study in physics. F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. It is somewhat like that. It is the same thing in vectors. Okay. This magnitude whole square plus this magnitude whole square plus 2 times that dot product. Okay, magnitude of AC is B only because AC is called B. This is BC square. This is also BC square. So this is CB whole square. This is BC whole square. This is CB and this is CB, and angle between these two vectors is cos A. So I'll get 2 into BC into BC into cos A. Okay, 1 by B plus C. Here BC whole square, here BC whole square. In fact, here 2BC whole square, here 2BC whole square. I can take square root of 2BC whole square common. I will be left with 1 plus cos C. Are there some people who are able to relate to this some extent? Okay. Yes, please. That is section formula. In vectors, for example, let us say this is A bar and this is B bar position vectors and this is some C bar, you want to know it, and this is L is to M. I can write C bar as LB bar plus MA bar by L plus M. Section formula in vectors. Okay. So this part you will understand soon. I will be discussing when vectors. Okay, at least coming Monday, I think I will be starting. In first 2 3 class only this will come. So okay, 2bc whole square, 1 plus cos a I can write 2 cos square a by 2. Okay, so 2bc by b plus c cos a by 2. Root and square is gone, we got it. Okay. So same formula, earlier we discussed in 2 methods. This is the third method I wanted to discuss. All right. Okay, I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time? No. Okay. I want to discuss something about circumcenter and centroid. Let me connect to that. And anyway, we talked about in center. Let me ask one of those, not exactly like a formula, but some question. That is, if somebody can answer this. Okay, this is a triangle ABC, and this is the in circle. This is a in center, and these are all three perpendicular distances, R and R and R. Okay. It is a question only, okay, but this is because I talked about angular biases, I thought I'll connect something to that also, okay. Let us see if somebody can answer what is circumradius of triangle BIC. Circumradius of triangle BIC. R by 2. Why it should be R by 2? Okay. No, it may not be. Let us see. It can be also hues. I can like this and it's an obtuse. I think maybe I can have a big circle containing BIC. In the beginning, I mentioned how to find circumradius for any triangle. How to find circumradius for any triangle? Yeah, we can use ABC by 4 delta. Okay, but here we don't know the delta and we don't know all the three sides. In we can do from that, but we can use A by 2 sin A. That is easier. Okay, why? You take any side length and by sine of the opposite angle. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is this angle BIC? No, this is not circumcenter to tell that this double of this will be here. Anybody else want to tell what is this angle BIC? If you don't know that angle, try to find other two angles in the triangle and remove from 180. 90 plus a by 2. Yes. How you are telling 90 plus a by 2? Yes, correct. This is b by 2. This is c by 2. So angle BIC is equal to 180 degrees minus b by 2 plus c by 2. But 180 degrees minus b by 2 plus c by 2 is 90 minus a by 2, which is 90 degrees plus a by 2. Yeah. Now, if you want the circumradius of triangle BIC, you can take any side by sine of opposite angle. So, BC side by 2 sine, the opposite angle is BIC. Okay. But BC side is small a, and this is 90 plus a by 2, sine 90 plus a by 2 is cos a by 2. So, I can write 2 cos a by 2. Okay. I can leave it there, or if I want to simplify further, a I can write to 2r sine a, 2 cos a by 2. Sine a I can write 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. I can even write this as 2r sine a by 2 also. Okay. This is just a question only, so don't mind. This I may not be telling in order, doesn't matter. Kepler is a circumradius of big triangle ABC. Yes. I'll discuss one small thing and then I'll stop. Tomorrow we'll discuss mainly about. Before I forget, I may take today evening class. Okay, KVY class, or for everybody also I may take some class. Please look out for a message. Okay, before 1 o'clock only I'll try to put a message. Okay. Okay, here I asked about incenter. I think I would have asked a similar question when it was orthocenter, when it was circumcenter also it can be asked. Okay. Okay, I'm arranging this whole thing. Everybody clear about this, right? Okay, let me draw the circumcircle, and this is circumcenter S. This is capital R, this is capital R, this is capital R, all are equal. And we know this is 2A, this is ABC. Because chord BC is subtended angle A here, at the center it will subtend 2A. Okay. There are two things I want to tell. These are also like questions or some general knowledge only. What is that? If somebody asks you SBC, what is the circumradius? Anybody want to answer? Circumradius of SBC. Yes. BC side by sine of opposite angle, which is sine angle BSC, which is small a by sine, there should be on 2 sine 2A. You can leave it. If somebody wants to simplify, you can write 2r sine A by 2 into 2 sine A cos A, and cancel out the sine A part and 2 part, you will get capital R by 2 cos A. Okay, you can write like this or you can write like this, fine. Okay, apart from that, what I want to show small thing is We proved something in trigonometry earlier. We can prove this another way. What is that? I can write a triangle ABC area as now sum of these three pieces. BSC area, CSA area and ASB area. Isn't special batch? Okay. Now, ABC area we know already, 2R square sin A, sin B, sin C. Can anybody tell me what is BSC triangle area? Is it 2 or half? Yes. If you know two sides and sin of included angle between them, half AB sin C formula can be used. So based on that, BSC area is half into R into sin 2A. Half R square sin 2A. Similarly, this area is, this is B, this angle, this is circumcenter, anyway, this is 2B, this is 2C, and this is of course circumcenter S. Okay. This area will be half R square sin 2B. And this is half R square sin 2C, this one. Okay, it's not any question. I wanted to show something. When you cancel R square every year, when bring this to this side, you will get 4 sin A, sin B, sin C is equal to sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Did we prove this earlier any time? Yeah, in transformations we proved it. What we proved in transformations, we can visualize it. This area plus this area plus this area is the total area. That is the formula actually. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C, 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay. Just for that I told, otherwise this is not a very important point here. Okay. So we'll only left with two things in the advanced little bit of theory. About centroid and median, some lengths and all, we have to derive some few formulas. And excentral triangle, I have to tell something about it. Okay. So these are the two things we'll discuss, and if time allows, tomorrow I'll clarify your doubts in heights and distances, or today evening if I take some extra class. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. You can take break. I will be there for a few minutes if somebody wants to copy this.